Baby, it's me filming this and getting it done before it got dark for me, okay?
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I hope y'all are having a good Wednesday. Listen, come on in the room. Everybody, come on in the room, okay? I want to come on here and do this look with y'all. I really wanted quality with my video, and it was not giving it the first round. So, baby, we had to run this back, okay? If y'all want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, beauty, so let's go ahead and just get started. I have already done my brows. I did those off camera, did a little priming to the eyes. I want to play in the Worldy palette by P. Louise. I'm not sure if y'all saw where I hauled it, so let me show that to y'all real quick. Here's the palette itself. Sorry to be blinding you. Very colorful. But I wanted to do a eye look with you all. So let's go ahead and just let's do our face first, and then we can jump into the eye look. For foundation, I'm going to use the Morphe Filter Effect Foundation. I'm in the shade number 28 and 30. I like to mix those together to get like a pretty good shade for myself. To prime, we're going to use the Demeatrice-OZCZWKHI Blurring Balm. I like to put it right in the center of my face first, and then I bring it everywhere else. My oils don't peek through as much everywhere else as it does right in the center in my T-zone. So I really like this foundation. Beautiful shades. Like the coverage is really nice, and then the finish of it is even nicer. Like it's not matte, but it's not like super dewy either. It's like in between. It's not even a soft matte. It's just a really nice coverage. Let's take the Anastasia concealer. This is the Magic Touch concealer in the shade number 17. While that's sitting in, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Say bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Bronze. I really like this bronzer. Very creamy, moisturizing, all of the above. Full coverage. Need I say more? And I just put that in the perimeters, mostly on my forehead and my hairline. And I bring it down a little bit on the sides, and then I put it right in the crevice of my cheek there, up to my hairline. And then on my jawline, I put the excess. Oh, girl, here we go with this big old sponge again. I wanted to ask y'all, like, I've been hearing a lot of chatter, or I've seen a lot of people talk about how the beauty community is dead, and I wanted to get y'all take on that, like what y'all think, because I feel some kind of way about it. Because first of all, this is a beauty channel. I've started to do vlogs, but sis, this is very much a beauty channel. I feel like I started doing the vlogs just to be able to provide y'all with more content. I wish I was able to do more beauty content, because I feel like it's easier for me to film a vlog, just pick up the camera when I'm not in like such a serious state of mind, background, set up, let me make sure my lighting is right, let me make sure the sound is right, because I'm able to just get that content out to you all because it's raw, you know what I mean? That's part, like I said, that's part of the reason why I decided to do vlogs, because I'm like, I need to give them more content. Let's do more. And because I can't sit down with y'all and record and do this every single day, then this is what we're gonna do. So that's the part of the reason why I added vlogs into my content. And I see why vlogging and lifestyle content is taking over, because it's easier to pick up that camera whenever you want to, because this is raw and uncut footage, right? It's vlogs, it's real life, right? Okay, cool. So it's easier to do that. But I really just wanted to incorporate that more into my channel just bring y'all into my life a little bit more, which, honey, let's be real, there's nothing going on but work. But I just wanted to bring y'all into my life a little bit more. But when I hear people talking about the beauty industry or the beauty content or beauty whatever, it's not beauty industry, beauty content on YouTube is dead. I'm like, well, how? Y'all sit there and watch it on Instagram, you watch it on TikTok, like, how's it dead? It's just a different platform. So I just refuse to believe that it is. And I'm not even gonna even think like that, because I'm just like, it blows my mind how people automatically like feel like you can only be dedicated to one part of life. Like, everybody has to be focused on this. Everybody has to be focused on this one thing. I don't understand that. I don't get that, y'all, at all. Like, makeup is that girl. Beauty is that girl. Skincare is that girl. Like, it would never, ever die. Like, I won't even let it, to be honest with you. Sound off in the comments down below. Like, what have y'all heard that? Because I know I'm not the only one that heard that beauty is dead or beauty content is dead. People say that people don't watch beauty videos as much on YouTube, but I don't know. I feel like people watch what they want to watch on YouTube, honestly. Like, it can be a number of things. And I'm sorry, y'all, all products will be listed down below just in case I forget to tell y'all what I'm putting on. But this is the Sephora translucent powder, one of my absolute favorite powders. I do have a favorites video coming up soon too, because the girls deserve. So I'm filming this video, so by the time you're watching this, it's Wednesday. More than likely I uploaded it around noon. And because I think the earlier I get my videos out, the better, instead of me uploading like at 5 and 6 o'clock. YouTube be trying to play me though, and I don't like it. Every time I want to upload a video, every time I'm like, well, I'm gonna upload at 3, like, it always wants to process HD super slow. It always wants to take its time, like just exporting or importing my video. Like, it be doing me dirty, y'all. It be doing me dirty. I do want to put on a liquid blush. Girl, we're gonna try this as a blush. And Dairy Queen, let's see. You have to be really careful with blushes like this. Very, very careful. Yeah, it's just a plum color, see? Yeah, that's in Dairy Queen by made by Mitchell. I'm gonna take the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I'm gonna use that to set all over my face. And I try to only hit the areas that I haven't set yet. If y'all haven't tried the Sephora powder yet, y'all definitely missing out. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Dark. And I'm going to use the deeper shade on the bottom. And I'm going to use that to bronze and contour. See, bronzing is just doing that. Contouring is like chiseling it out. So I feel like I do both. You know what I mean? I do feel some kind of way about people saying that the beauty industry is down now, because it's honestly like my second love. The first one is my son, you know what I'm saying? And I found something in makeup that I didn't know I could do. You know what I mean? I didn't even know I can do this, y'all. I'm not 25 years old out here in these streets. I literally found this passion, and I really honestly and truly wish I would have found it like a long time ago. So I'm like, no, you're not dying. I just found you not too long ago. Where you going? Makeup is more prevalent than what it was when I was first started doing it. It was just starting to get like, you know, to where people were like wanting to learn this, wanting to learn that, different stuff. But I never honestly like was like, ooh, I'm gonna learn how I'm gonna be a makeup artist. That's not what I sought out to be. So that's my second love, you know, that's my second love. So I needed to hold on just a little bit. Let's use this blush by CoverGirl. Look how bright that is, y'all. I was gonna take this back to the store. but I'm not gonna do it. But this right here, super pigmented. CoverGirl did his thing with this blush. You only need a little bit. Cause if I would have went in with more than that, you see how that was one tap. They need more colors though. Their shade range sucks. And if this one is this pigmented, just imagine how nice the other ones can be. This was featured in my drugstore video, which I have another one of those coming up also. And I have some stuff that I have been like holding on to. I have a Neutrogena foundation that I wanted to try out, so I wanted to wait until I got everything together so I can try it out and use it in one of my new to me drugstore videos. So I'm excited to do that. Thing with me is, y'all, I work. You know what I'm saying? Sis can't sit in front of the camera. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work. Let's get started on these eyes. That didn't take long at all, huh? I love it here. So again, we're using the Worldy palette. I already have concealer on, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. I'm gonna take this blending brush and I'm gonna jump into the shade Sunset, which is this like orange terracotta shade. And I'm going to place that in my crease. And we're gonna shake out the excess because these are very pigmented, and just pat that in my crease. And I like this brush by Makeup by Ariel. These get so dirty though. They're beautiful brushes, but as a makeup artist, honey, these get dirty. I have some sanitizing wipes. I try to use those to clean them, but when you got stuff all over your hands, you ain't think about that. Let's take this like more taper brush. This is a Morphe E17. Let's use the shade Manchester, which is like a brown shade. See, the Manchester shade, even the one next to it, I feel like they just give you a flush of warmth. Like they're not super like dark, you know what I mean? Like they're not super dark at all. All right. And then I'm gonna go on top of my lid color. I'm gonna go on top of my lid color with some P. Louise base, Rumor 2 base. I'm gonna take it and put it on my lid. And when you have extensions, I just hold them down out the way and then just press the base on the lid. Grab that brush we used with this first shade, Sunset, because we want to blend out the harsh line, but I want to make sure I still have a base. And then I'm gonna get me a flat shader brush. I just need a flat brush to put bottom line. So let's take this shade Lounge, which is right there. We're gonna take Lounge, and then we're gonna take the shade Baggage right there. Pretty. If I would have used that Limelight pigment, oh my god, it would have been like stupid bright. And pop it right in the inner corner. With that brush you use with the deeper shade in Manchester, and do the same thing. And then we're gonna go back in with the green shade. You have to do this to make sure you don't lose your colors, because every time you go into one, it's almost like you're putting them on top of each other, but it's like you're blending the color away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, beauty, so here's the finished look. How are we liking it? Yes, ma'am. Highlighter is Painted Dolls Cosmetics and You Better Glow Girl and Glow Digger. Both of these, get you both of these. That's what Glow Digger looks like. You Better Glow Girl. Yes, ma'am. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave some comments down below. I liked the eyeshadow, but I thought they were gonna pop a little bit more, but I'm not mad at them. But I thought they were gonna pop a little bit more. But they didn't give me any type of fallout, I can say that. But it's giving very like island girl type of vibes. Maybe not. Okay. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below about what I've discussed about the beauty industry. Or not just the beauty industry, the beauty on YouTube, I want to say. Because I think that's really what they're saying. Beauty on YouTube. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave some comments down below. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.